problem 10 of Neetcode 150, valid palindrome. First, let's see what is a palindrome. A palindrome is an alphanumerical string where if you reverse it, you're going to get the exact same string. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you reverse it, you have the exact same sequence. So it is a palindrome. If you use the word kayak and reverse it, you will see that it is also a palindrome because you're going to get kayak as well. But if you take the entire sentence, this is not a palindrome, you're going to get a weird sentence that is not the original one. And if you take my first name, Timothy, you're going to get itemite, which is not the original word. So one very easy way to solve this is basically to build a new string. And for each character of the string that we're given, we're going to check if it is an alphanumerical character. If it is, we're going to add it to the string. And we're going to end up checking if that string is equal to its string reversed. So if we create a new string, we're going to say for C and S. And in Python, we can simply say if C dot is all num. This is going to check if it is an alphanumerical character. Well, if it is, we're going to add it to the new string. And one thing that we have to take into account is that we don't really care whether it is a capital or a lower letter, as long as the letters in the reverse order creates the same word. So that's pretty much it for the problem. We can now return new str equal reverse, just like this. And this is gonna solve the problem for us. All right. This uses a time complexity of a big O of n and a space complexity of big O of n. There is a way with the two-pointer technique to have a better space complexity without creating a new string. So let's take a look at this. First, let's use a whiteboard. All right. So if you have this palindrome, first what we're going to do is that we're going to have our initial pointer that will look to S and will look to the last character of the string. If they're the same, you keep looping, otherwise you return false. In this case, we keep looping. So we're going to look at A and A here. They are the same. And after this, we add a space. So what we're going to have to do is make sure that if the character that we have is not an alphanumerical one, for example, a white space, we're just going to keep looping. So we're going to go see our I here and our I here, and they're the same. So we're going to keep looping, and we will do this until the left pointer here is at the same index as the right pointer. So let's build this now. We're going to create our left and our right pointer, and we will make our left pointer equal to 0 and our right one equal to the length of the string minus 1. So we reach the last index, and now we're going to loop through the string while the left pointer is smaller than the right one. So while left is smaller than the right one, we want to check if they are the same. So if the string at the index left is, well, basically if it is not the same, and we have to make sure that it is to lowercase. So if it is not the same as the string at the index right, that lower, we're going to return false. And before this, we have to increment the left pointer if we get a character that is not an alphanumerical one. So we're gonna use a while loop, and we also have to make sure that the left pointer never gets bigger than the right one. So we'll add this condition and not. So we're gonna use our is all num as we use in the previous solution. So if the index of if the string at index L